Silver prices traded bullish last week from delivering higher lows. We have seen it moving towards higher highs and closing the week at the highs. We have seen a little struggle in silver prices on the upside towards 38.50, 38.60. Now, what to expect? Can we say that the lows are done last week? Are we looking forward to another round of rally? Are we looking forward to $40 levels here? As you can clearly see, prices are staying in this bullish channel. Can we expect a breakout beyond 40, or the highs are done and it is still going to deliver more bearishness ahead? What to be our strategy? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week? We are going to see here with the help of charts and indicators, and towards the end of the update I'll be giving the trading levels. Watch till the end. This is a weekly review. I do share my twice a day updates for gold, for silver, and in fact for other metals, commodities and indices as well. The subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. With that, let's start. See first of all what silver has done here. It has formed a very good support here at around $35 levels, 35, 35.50. Since then we have seen a good rise all the way towards 39 plus levels, then a retracement. Now it has formed the next support at 36, and with that as support it is trying to bounce back. Now what has happened last week, you can see higher lows and higher highs here. Now it is pretty important for us to watch out how silver behaves in the coming week. Now remember, a move beyond 38.60 and 38.85 levels, we can just stay bullish in silver. Yes, if it stays beyond 38.60, 38.85, we will look forward to 39.20, and in fact it may move towards $40 levels. See the higher highs, when you connect the channel here, when you create the channel, you will find the higher highs are now aiming towards 40, 50 levels. So right now also you can see a good support is seen here, and definitely I'll watch out. Coming week is going to be a pretty important week for silver prices, because see, staying above 38.85, we can definitely see a very strong bullish move which might take it close to, again, the near term highs, near term record levels here. May move towards 40 as well. See, the prices, moving averages are trading with divergence, is staying bullish. And if you track the movement in silver prices for the last few weeks, see, every rise offsets with a retracement. It has shown a good rise. I'll wait for a retracement here, but right now it is not showing any signs of retracement. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD, if you look at on the weekly charts, after forming a bottom, it has hit the highs again. And it is not that it cannot see further highs, but I can definitely say that these levels are a possibility. These levels increases the possibility of a reversal and retracement, though it is not showing any such sign as of now. The RSI is also hitting the top here. Coming to the day, on the daily chart, see what has happened. Notice the move here: rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now you can see it has formed a support earlier at the 20 period, then a sharper drop has appeared which has taken it below 50 period, and since then it has shown a very good rise. In fact, it has breached this resistance zone. But when you see the last couple of candles, you can clearly see 38.50 is offering it a very good resistance, and this was the zone from where we have seen a reversal. So I'll now wait for silver to break beyond 38.60, 38.65 levels in the coming week, then 38.80, 85. If this zone is taken, there is a very high probability that silver is going to move towards 39.20, 39.60 and $40 levels very soon. But notice what's happening here in the silver prices. The bullishness is getting diminished with every candle. We have to wait for it to confirm a reversal. Also notice it has stayed in this zone, and since then we have seen the rise. It has come down towards the same zone and trying to bounce back. It appears that now the 36 and $35 zone is going to offer a pretty strong support, if at all silver whenever it decides to show a down move. Right now it is staying bullish with higher lows. And notice also a drop below 38, 37, 80 in the coming week should invite more bears out here, which is going to take the prices towards 37.40, 37, 36.50 and then 36 in lower levels. Notice the drop was sharp, the retracement is gradual. The stochastic is back to overbought zone. The MACD is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. Notice it was trading with sharp divergence. It is just converged, not yet crossed over. It is still staying on the sell side. The RSI is rising and showing a good recovery. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4-hour charts, you can clearly see the prices are consolidated enough and now waiting for a breakout. And yes, it could be either which ways. And drop below 38 and 37.80 should confirm a reversal all the way towards 37.30, 37, or in fact 36.50 levels. The moving averages have crossed over here. These are trading bullish. But what I do see is, as this is a retracement after this sharp drop, it is trading in this retracement channel. Now notice On the upside, I do see this. See, if you see it breaking on the upside 38.60, 38.85 levels, you can expect a good bullish move. We might see 39.20, 39.30, or in fact 39.60 levels. Stochastic rising, the MACD is also retraced, the RSI is rising. So signs are still supportive for further bullish. But one thing to note here is that things are getting slightly overbought. Coming to the monthly charts, the important one. When you look at the monthly chart, see what is happening here for months. You can see it is started off this rise with the post-COVID era, then a retracement, stayed in a zone, then a good rise, stayed in a zone, and then, since the middle of 2022-23, we have seen this breakout, and since then we have seen the prices doubling almost. Right from the lows at 20, we have seen it moving all the way now towards 40. Now, notice what has happened here. The first support is created at 28. The last support you can see is created at 34-36 zone. This is the most critical zone for silver to breach below. Now, if you look at the last candle, what has happened in the last candle? We have seen the price is hitting the highs, but it has closed the month in a very small body size, with a very small body size and almost at the bottom. The current month, silver has started with higher lows. It is looking upwards. But one thing to note here, the resistance on the upside are pretty strong. However, the higher lows is what is a supportive sign for the bulls, because see, higher lows it has started off. I'll definitely watch out till lower highs, means we have to wait for it to breach the highs which it is seen the near term record levels at 39.50, and this makes the zone at 39.20, 39.30 as pretty vulnerable prices for silver, because hitting lower highs we can in fact expect silver to reverse and take a u-turn. So till 39.20, 39.30 you have to be careful, and then 39.60 if it breaches, stay bullish for 40, 40, 40, and then higher prices. Stochastic rising, the MACD is rising and it is at extremes here on the monthly charts, and the RSI is rising here as well. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I provide you the trading levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, you should join my next mentorship batch. The 34th batch starts 1st of September. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, connect with me for any of your queries. Those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now it is pretty clear where you should buy. I will only recommend you to buy if you see now silver trading above 38.60 levels. Then the chances will be very high for 38.85. Now this complete zone is a pretty strong resistance for silver. Beyond this, I will be looking forward to 39.20, 39.60, 40. This is a critical number for silver to break beyond, because beyond this the chances of reversal will be very less. Here it might try to in fact move towards 41. I'll definitely watch out. The way it gives you a breakout, the momentum it shows will decide the direction silver wants to take. While on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 38.20 levels. Expect 38, 37.80, and if these two levels are, we can stay short for 37.50, then 37.25. See, very nearby support levels here till 37 is not taken. Below 37 is where aggressive bearishness will be seen here. 36.50, 36, 35.50, and then 35 will be seen here as the next targets. Far below levels appears difficult, but for the month of August is still probable. Only thing is we have to wait for silver to take a direction, and specifically a move below 36 is what will decide the direction silver wants to take. Till 36, I'll say chances, or you can say silver prices are not to be treated bearish. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.